How to unclog a clogged wash basin. As you can see here, if I turn on the water, that there is, the water is not going down, it's sort of filling up. I hope you can see the water is filling up. So we'll look at a way on how to unclog this sink wash basin. As you can see, this water is not going down, it's there. So we'll pause the video for a while. On the other side, I've put water on the boil. There is water on the boil. I've taken about, I think it should be about 4 liters of water, 4.5 liters of water. So I'm boiling this, and we'll use this water to unclog the sink. I've kind of set up the camera here so that when I go and pour the water, you'll be able to see. I've got the boiling water. It was boiling, so it had come to a boil. Now I'm pouring it down this drain. Let's see what happens. So here it is. It's still not going down. I've poured about 1.5 liters of water. So I do have more water with me. Oh, it's gone through. It's gone through. Looks like it must have opened up. Maybe it's opened up. Since I just went to keep it so that I'll wait for the water to clear, but it seems it has quickly gone down. And oh, now it's going down very fast. But anyway, I'm pouring the water down the drain. So you see, it was a completely clogged up drain, and this is not the drain of a kitchen in the sense that there is no grease going in here, but still it got clogged up. And as you can see, it's got cleared. I'm not running the cold water right now, so that I'll let the heat of this boiling water work for a while. And after, let's say, 10 or 15 minutes, we'll open the cold water and see how it is. If this hadn't worked, then it was a major repair job. I would have had to call a plumber and open the pipes up and then clean them or whatever. But since this hot water trick has worked, so it's done the job. So we'll take a pause on the video for about 15 minutes and then run the cold water and check it out. More than 15 minutes have passed, and now I'm back, and we can now run the cold water and see how it works. And of course the drain has opened up, and now the water is just going through. And I just wanted to give it some time, as I said before. Let the heat work, if there was anything there to clear. So otherwise it would have been, I'm so happy it's worked. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll try and make more videos like this which are helpful. So do subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell also, so that you get the notifications. Anyway, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.